Imagine stepping into your kitchen to prepare a meal and finding your store-bought herbs wilted and lifeless. Frustrating, right? Now picture having a lush, thriving herb garden right at home, offering you fresh basil, mint, and rosemary whenever you need. Growing your own herbs is not just about the freshness, it's a rewarding hobby that saves money and elevates your dishes. Let's dive into how you can start your very own herb garden. First, gather your materials. Small pots or containers, potting soil, herb seeds or seedlings, labels, and a watering can. Begin by choosing the right herbs based on your cooking preferences and space. Basil is perfect for Italian dishes, cilantro for Mexican cuisine, and mint is great for beverages. Once you've picked your herbs, it's time to pot them. Fill your pots with soil, make small holes for the seeds or seedlings, and plant them. Ensure proper spacing and depth. Watering is crucial. Different herbs have varied needs, so water gently and regularly, checking soil moisture with your finger. Herbs need sunlight to thrive, so place them on windowsills or balconies where they can soak up natural light. Finally, maintain your garden by pruning and harvesting to encourage growth. Label your pots and keep a gardening journal to track progress. Enjoy the satisfaction of fresh, homegrown herbs in your meals.